You can do it. Go, Carson. There you go. Look at you, buddy. I like that parrot, Dad.
Here's the question. This is the first Valentine's Day ever, right? Come on. You're not going to offend me.
There's got to be someone somewhere having a far worse Valentine's Day.
There you go. There you go.
It's not yours, Izzy.
That's not yours, honey. That's Carson's.
What can I do for you, General?
LAPD just picked up one of ours. The agent's name is Jim Yeager. He's been missing for over a year, although he was presumed to be on a covert domestic assignment. Unfortunately, we have no record of this assignment, and so far the subject has been uncooperative.
You guys gotta stop now. You want me to take a crack at him?
Are you jumping? Jump, jump, Carson.
The subject's last confirmed location comes from a phone.
There you go. There you go. Where are you going? You see him doing it? Where are you walking to, bud? Yeah, I'm going to get that parrot, Dad. I'm walking to the parrot.
Said he keeps saying.
Salamander. Possible code name for his enemy contact. Our best guess. He chose this location for its proximity to a sleeper cell. I need for someone to
Love you,
resume
buddy.
Yeager's assignment.
I love you so much.